So far in this class, you've been stitching a small looping sample, working in a continuous spiral on a mold from a wrapped base cord, and adding thread with the Trapped Tails thread addition. When you're ready to finish this sample, stop stitching at one of the edges. To turn this tube into a small pouch, first scoot the piece down to the bottom of the mold. We're going to stitch the live edge from the front to the live edge of the back. This demonstration is worked right-handed. If you're right-handed, you'll insert the needle from east to west. If you're left-handed, you may want to work from west to east. In either case, insert the needle passing under one lag from the front live edge and one lag on the back live edge. Notice that this differs from looping because the needle is not passing over the working thread. Draw this thread through, pulling the two live edges together. Now, pass the thread back to your original position and whip another stitch, passing the needle under one lag on the front edge and one lag on the back edge. Zigzag back and forth this way to whip the base closed. Don't worry if individual lags on the front and back don't match up exactly. All you need to do for this sample is stitch the two edges together. Make your last stitch a looping stitch that does travel over the working thread and pull it into a little knot. Then carry the tail to the inside of the pouch and clip the thread. With this sample, you've learned the basic structure of looping and some essential thread control. These are foundation skills for many techniques you can learn in my New Age Looping Basics e-course. Things like how to shape with increases and decreases, how to make round and oval bases, how to work with and without molds, how to work flat elements as well as in the round, different ways to start and finish, different ways to add thread, different materials you may want to try, options that create more and less elasticity, how to design your own looping projects, and some fun ways to create different patterns. These are also foundation skills for other looping variations you'll be able to learn online. Things like cross-knit looping, bead looping, Burundi looping, freeform and textural looping, Fuegian coiling, which is looping over a core element, and much more. You may want to join the New Age Looping Loop-Along. Over the course of a year, we'll work through the 8 project chapters in my book, New Age Looping, a handbook for fiber artists. You can share your photos, questions, and comments as you stitch the 3 little pouches, the brim to crown beret, a skipped stitch soap scrubber, the flip turn scarf, a toothbrush looping bag, the pumper jumper from a round base, a cafeteria bag, and a mosaic bead looping pouch. You can learn more and find links to purchase online classes and books at donnakallner.com. Thanks for joining me for this free class. I hope to see you again soon. In the meantime, have fun stitching.